A one-of-a-kind program has just been unveiled at the University of Texas. Less than an hour ago, UT President Bill Powers, Athletic Director Steve Patterson, and several other officials launched the Center for Sports Leadership and Innovation. It's a program aimed at helping young athletes become positive role models. UT will work with high school coaches and students to curb and fix troubling or violent behavior. The move comes at a time when several national sports figures have been in the media for violent incidents. The new center's director, Darren Roberts, spoke at today's announcement.
I made the decision to embark on a coaching career because I recognize the influence that coaches have over the young women and men that they lead. I watched coaches elevate the life trajectories of their players. Our university will play a leading role in supporting that transformative experience.
It will also develop a program to help college athletes deal with finances in professional sports. This move comes after the university got national attention for Coach Charlie Strong's core values. He dismissed 9 players for rules violations or legal problems. In September, NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell also met with Strong to talk about molding players for the national stage and building relationships between collegiate and professional sports. Strong said that too many players with questionable character are moving on to the NFL, where they're then given money and plenty of temptations. 2 of the players dismissed from the Longhorn football team will appear in court soon. A grand jury formally indicted the men last week on sexual assault charges. Montrell Meander is scheduled to appear in court on Wednesday. Kendall Sanders is expected to face a judge in January. According to court documents, the 2 raped a woman inside the San Jacinto dorm on UT's campus back in June. UT football head coach Charlie Strong suspended Meander and Sanders indefinitely as soon as they were arrested. Sanders was expected to be a starter for the 2014 season. Also later today, the UT Board of Regents will hold a special meeting. Their agenda includes legal items regarding the investigation into admissions practices at UT Austin. Also on the agenda is discussion of personnel matters, including those of presidents at campuses. This weekend, rumors started swirling that former Secretary of State Condoleezza Rice was a candidate to take over for outgoing UT President Bill Powers. But UT Regents told us the New York Post report is not true and that there are no frontrunners for that position.